Hi, it's Toney here with Essentially Styled. Today I want to talk with you about some options to get you through until you can get back to the hair salon to get your hair cut and trimmed up. We are going through an odd time right now in our country, and hair salons are closed and we don't have the option. In an effort to keep you from cutting your own hair, which in my experience does not go well a lot of the time, I have some options for you to get you by. And the thing I love about Lila Rose is that you've got a multitude of styles and a multitude of designs. So I'm going to show you 3 different products, but lots of different designs that they have and a lot of different ways you can wear them. So I'm going to start with the hairband that I'm wearing now. And so our hairbands, if you don't know, can also be worn as a necklace because they come with an adjustable elastic strap, just like a bra strap, and you adjust it to fit your head and the bulk of your hair. So they work fantastic and they're super comfortable. But they're attached with a lobster claw, and you can take that off and attach a magnetic clasp, and you can wear it as a necklace as well. If it's one of the beaded ones like I'm wearing now. So just to show you how quick and easy it works, and again, this one's already hooked up with the adjustable strap, and I chose brunette. They come in colors of blonde, brunette, black, and silver. So those are the options. So you just slip it on like you would any hairband, but it's going to stay way better than any you've tried before. Well, to start, I'm going to pull all my hair back. So if your bangs are growing out or they're a little long and you don't want to cut them, you can keep them back with one of our hairbands, and they are super comfortable. Now, if you want to wear your hair up with a hairband, just one of the quick tricks you can do is you can see how the band rests along your hair very comfortably. I'm just going to rake out a little bit of hair underneath, and then when I go to put all my hair up, I can twist it and it's concealed in that hair, and because it matches the color of your hair, it completely disappears and all you see is the pretty part. So as you wear these, you can pull all your hair back. I like to wear a little bit down, even as I grow out my bangs, and pull some forward, but that is up to you. You can also take this hair as another option and roll it as you pull some forward, and just keep rolling to keep some hair back, and just keep going around for kind of like a tucked roll look. You can go all the way around and secure it in the back with one of our flexies or one of the U-pins or a couple of pair of the U-pins, or you can just tuck it in. So those are all options with our hairband. So that's a great option. And just some of the different designs. This is one of our leather beaded ones. And then we also have some of our flat ones, everything from a leopard print to more formal pearl, although pearls you can wear with denim and jeans all the time. And speaking of denim, we have a denim strap. So from casual to dressy, let me show you real quick the pearl one on. I just love, very pretty, and they sit really well. They have a very soft suede back, so they don't roll and slide, and also they don't roll and slide because of the adjustable strap. And this is another one I love that gives the appearance, they're attached, but it gives the appearance of three bands in the hair. Those are all great options for growing out your bangs or just keeping them at bay until you can get to the hair salon. So one of the other options we have are our mini flexies. Now again, we've got from really blingy ones to all blue. We have all colors and designs, all finishes from rose gold, black nickel, silver, gold. Here's one of our gold ones with a pearl, the dogwood. And we have a lot of ones with different motifs, from critters to this one's the music note, which is called Symphony. Now, one note I do want to let you know, we do make left-handed flexies. You have to order them left-handed, but that only is relevant if it's a design that would be noticeable upside down. So this treble clef, obviously this one, the dogwood, could be worn either way. It's not going to change, where if the Symphony's upside down, it's going to be obvious. So just to make a note, Think when you put it in your hair, like this is, I'm right-handed and I'm putting it on the left-hand side of my hair. So it's going to be upside down if I do that, okay? Just so you see. Now, if I put it on my right-hand side and pull it back, it's right side up. So just to make a note of that. And if you're confused about that, please let me know. I can help you make sure you get the right one depending on which side you're going to put it on. If you're pulling it straight back, it depends on how far you pull it back as to which way it would go. So I do want to show you a couple options with the mini. So you can just pull some back. The pin is attached. It flexes over and around that hair, and you can just pull some back like so. Just enough to keep your hair back. You can even bring it, kind of twist your hair, kind of twist your bangs into your hair, bring it back and hold it more securely there. You can also take your bangs back like this, especially if you're growing them out and they're shorter, and then like so. Put the pin under. Again, it flexes over. Put the pin through, and then you've got your mini holding your bangs back. And you can put that as far back or as far down as you would like. Sometimes I will wear the mini. It wouldn't work for growing your bangs out, but I will pull just a loose amount back here and put it at the base of my skull. So minis are a great option as well. And again, you can twist that hair, you can braid the hair, you can do a lot of things and then secure it. It's a lot prettier than those little claw clips. So those are the minis or the extra, extra smalls. Some people, if you have really, really thick hair, you could even use an extra small for that, but minis work great for holding bangs back. The last option we have are the bobby pins. And again, we have many, many different designs, from the very simple, just a simple stone, to bigger and bolder pieces, all silver. We've got tiny, delicate ones. We have Celtic ones, like I said, all kinds of motifs. Here's a real pretty blue one. This seems to be a popular one. Almost looks like a butterfly, but it's just a scroll design with some blue stones. And then we have just some that are decorated the entire length of the pin. So a couple options. I'm going to show you this one first. And again, you could do all the hair back with the bobbies if you can, one coming in one direction, one going another, and you can crisscross those if you like. But these are so strong, you don't need to crisscross them like you do traditional bobbies for the hold. So you can have ones that are decorated the entire length. We have several designs like that, and we just added some rhinestones and pearls, and they are beautiful, that are decorated the whole width. Now when you're taking them out, they are extremely strong, so I do recommend that you hold your hair. I'll show you that when I take this one out. Hold your hair a certain way and use your fingernail to open up that pin to allow the hair to come out gently, because they hold so tight, which is awesome, but you need to be careful when you take them out. So this is one of my favorite techniques for the bobby, and what I'm going to show you, and you kind of have to use two hands to be able to do that. So I'm going to put my thumb on the decorative part and hold that there, then pry that open, and then hold it as well as I can, because it's going to want to close on you. Okay, then I'm going to put it in upside down, okay, and then I'm going to flip it over and angle it toward the twist, like so, so that you don't see the pin. It hides, and you only see the decorative part. So again, you see the decorative part, and I can put that down low. I like to wear that one low. I do the same technique and twist it up so that it holds it down, or I can put it high. So when I take it out, this is what I was talking about before, I'm going to put my thumb on the bottom of the pin part, and then I'm going to take my fingers on either side of the pin and squeeze that hair together to open up that pin. Then pull it out, and then I still place my thumb in between that before I pull it out, because it likes to grip the hair, which means they're not going to slide and drag down throughout the day. They are going to stay put where you wear them. So those are some options. Hairbands, extra, extra smalls, our minis, or the bobbies, and lots of designs, lots of styles. You can check out other tutorials on different ways to wear them, but they really can be a lifesaver, and your hairdresser will thank you. So hang in there and don't cut your own hair. Thanks.